Hello, at MICA, we believe that learning is beyond classroom walls, and that's where the MICA Immersions and Academic Innovations Secretariat wing was conceptualized. It offers 4 immersions that provide field-based experiential learning to PGP students of MICA. Let us briefly understand the immersions. The first one is Entrepreneurship Immersion, which allows students to brainstorm, create, and run a business idea as a team of entrepreneurs. Second is IMPACT Immersion, which allows students to get an opportunity to solve real-life industry problems. The third one is Rural Immersion, which allows students to stay connected at the grassroots level by engaging in doing the ethnographic research of the villagers. The fourth is International Immersion, in which students are exposed to the global learning and culturalization. These immersions help students with hands-on experience in problem solving and decision making and enhance their communication, leadership, and strategic thinking skills across the managerial ecosystem. With these immersions, we aim to shape future thought leaders for change and development.